Hello and welcome back to Rick's Kits. We have another update on the Airfix 1/72 scale E-boat. We've got the cabin on, now in place. Can't see the helmsman in there anymore, but it's in place. Careful because I have long glued some bits and pieces on there. So let me just pick it up and I'll give you we've got the sides on. We've got the light on the side here. We've attached forward mounted machine gun. I said I wasn't going to attach that, but on a bit more investigation in some of the photos, it wasn't very clear whether that was on the particular craft around Norway. But then I managed to zoom the old picture in just enough to identify that there actually was a forward mounted machine gun on there, because the actual machine gun was at an angle when it was covered. Yeah, so it's got a forward mount machine gun on it now. It's showing as an MG42, but I think it was probably the 38 they were using. So we've got the other side on, and we've got a green light on this side. We've got the two life belts in there, painted in red and white. Pictures only depict on some boats one on this side. Some have none. Can't see any pictures showing two, so it may be a little bit of an error. But it shows a life belt on the back end for some unknown reason. So we have the cannon in place now. The gun are all painted up, grey and blue of the Kriegsmarine. So I have to keep turning this round. I want to get a better, get a bit of view of it, but unfortunately looks like we're not going to get a bit. It's going to be a fuse. And the last thing I just added on were the depth charges on the back. Again, when I'm looking through some of the pictures, these don't look like they're the ones that are actually showing on the boat. The pictures are too fuzzy to, when you blow them up, to get a more accurate representation, but they actually look a little bit smaller than these. That's what I'm saying. So there we have it. That's the update for this week. So now on the floor, which is probably what I'm likely to do. So at the front end, then I have still got forward mounted flag mast. I have the wire ropes go across the front here. Coming down here, I'm not sure if I'm going to fill these two holes in because we're not using the main mast, so I don't think the wires that would go here. I'm not sure. Can't see them in the picture that I've been studying. So I might have to fill those and then re-overpaint. I've obviously got the walkway wires and stuff to go here, but we've also got the torpedo tubes either side to go on here. I've got a couple of boxes to mount here and here. I've got a flagpole here and here. And then we've got the two dinghies to put on. So I think one of them will probably go here and one will probably go there. And the kit, it shows put them here and here, but again, looking at pictures, I can't see any reason why you would have them right up here on the front end when their best accessibility would be down here on the back end. The pictures show them, or at least one of them being here from what I've seen, and that's here on the majority of the boats, so this walkway probably wouldn't get used as often. So that's it for this week. Thank you to my new subscribers. I appreciate you coming on board. Thank you to my old hands, my old subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. You know that. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.